everybody, this is Kathy from Katzel Create and welcome back to our channel. So today I am coming along with our breast cancer awareness collaboration, and it is a few of us that are doing this collaboration. It is Maka'z from Maka'z Home, Mariann from Mariann's Crafty Corner, Becky Long, Vee from Buzzinwith Vee, Tree from Craft On, and myself that are doing this collaboration. And this is our last and final week. Yeah, a lot of us ladies had some stories to tell you, some information. I will just say that please do follow up with doing a breast exam each month. Make sure you are checking yourself. Do follow up with your mammogram after age 42. Usually that's when you start doing your mammograms. That is a yearly checkup, so do follow up. With COVID, I know a lot of things kind of stalled, so try to call your doctors. Try to find out when you can schedule all these appointments. Don't let time pass anymore. Anyways, I also wanted to mention Solae from Enchantment. Oh my goodness. Enchanted with Solae. Oh my goodness, sorry Solae. She had a very, very lovely story and very heartwarming. I love how her doctors did follow up with her, and we're doing they were following up with her, and I will link that video down in the description below. I would like you guys to hear her story, and I just loved how her doctors were checking up on her. So do follow up. And anyways, so this is our last week. We were supposed to do an altar box, bag, whatever you wanted to do. So I had a box that I wanted to alter, and it actually held these leaves right here, and it was a 7x5 or 9x5. So this holds my dies, and that box is held about 100 or 50 of these leaves. I think it was 50, and I had been holding onto it because I wanted to alter it. So this was the perfect chance to go ahead and start altering it, or do the alteration. And this is what I came up with. So this is what I created, you guys. Can you guys see? There you go. There you go. So anyways, I used some of these sheets from this paper pad, and I actually photocopied this one. And basically what I did was I did a layer it, I did some sewing, I did some pearls here, I did some die cutting of butterflies, and this is the butterfly die that I used. I had these flowers that were from Hobby Lobby, and then this was gifted to me by Alicia from Alicia's Crafty Hoplop from last year. Or was it? Yeah, was it last year? Oh my goodness, I don't even know what year I'm in no more. These are extra, like, you know how you cut this and you have little strips left over? So I put those here. And these pearls are from, let me see, I had it here somewhere, but those were from, I believe, Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. So I had some there, so I put those on there. And that's basically it. And on the inside, I went ahead and did some of the paper right here that I had left over. I put it on here, and that is about it. And this is the top pocket, the top, and the bottom here is where everything's going to be held. You have the bookmark. I'm going to go ahead and insert one of these in here. I'm going to go ahead, the ribbon, the altered ribbon is right here, and then the embellishments are right here. So that's, let me see, 1, 2, 3. Hey, I'm missing one. Oh, my flowers. They're yeah, those are not going to go in here because they don't fit in here. I already tried it. So the flowers will be in a separate little bag, and that's what you're going to get. And I did not want to bag it because if I bagged it, it was going to be really, really bulky. So actually this goes in here, so that way it protects it from that and there. And that is it. So anyways, for my giveaway, because some of us ladies will be doing a giveaway, for my giveaway, just remember you must be at least 18 years and older. You must be a resident of the United States. And you must be a visible subscriber and be subscribed to everybody that participated in this collaboration. And like I said, visible subscriber, age 18 years and older, and reside in the US, and must have comment on all my videos. I will pick out a random video. It's not going to be, you know, I'm going to pick out a random video, do a random selector or name drawing, and then from there I will cross-check that person with everybody, and that's how my winner's gonna come out. Anyways, thank you everybody for taking the time. Thank you. We'll see you guys on our next video. Thank you everybody for your support and love, and thank you for everybody that participated in this collaboration. I really want to thank you so much, because you guys had so many stories, and you guys are awesome for participating and doing this with us again. We'll see you guys on our next video. Bye for now.